Hola amigos, welcome to another video. This time not from Germany but from the Philippines. We are on Siargao to be exactly, and yeah, I'm not alone, I'm with Tony. She's right here. First morning here in Siargao. We just had breakfast at the super beautiful place right over there, and yeah, so far I can say this island is really beautiful. We had a little bit of rain yesterday, but this morning it's quite awesome. We just came back from our surf session, which was awesome. The surf instructors are really cool here, really nice and chill. And the surf lesson here is only around 9 to 10 euros or US dollars, so it's almost nothing. And the conditions here on the island are super to learn surfing. So yeah, it was definitely worth it. We took around 6 to 7 hours, I think, and 1 hour just for photos and videos, so the guys can help us. And yeah, they were pretty cool, and let's check what else we can do. Today we are exploring Siargao, and our first stop is Masayan River Bridge, where is this awesome tree right over there where you can swing down. It's a very famous spot here on the island, and yeah, maybe I take a swing as well. Our second stop was a little bit different than we expected. We want to visit a cave pool and take some cool pictures there, but it wasn't as beautiful as on the pictures on the internet. So we went there anyway, and there also was a cave we could visit, and this was kind of an adventure. Antonia didn't like it as much as I did, but yeah, it was quite dark, a lot of beds, quite of an adventure. And yeah, our last stop was Magapunku cave pools, which are beautiful caves, but unfortunately they're closed till February or March, something like this. So actually we can't visit them. So we decided to take at least a few beautiful pictures here on this road, right in front of the Magapunku cave pools. And Antonia's already ready. She took on a beautiful dress, so I would say let's go. As this is already the last day here in Siargao, I just want to give you guys a small verdict. So, to be completely honest with you, this island is the most beautiful place I've ever been to. Not only because of the nature, but also because of the people living here. They're super nice, and there are also so far less tourists. So basically all tourists here are surfers or people who want to learn to surf. And yeah, the streets are super empty, but on the other hand they're also building a lot of new streets and hotels. So I think in a few years this place will be super crowded, but for now it's super cool and relaxed. And yeah, at the same time the hotels and restaurants and streets are already super modern, so it's definitely not like I expected, but yeah, it's super cool and totally different from other places I've already been to in Asia, like Thailand and Bali, for example. So if you want to enjoy your stay here under palm trees and sun, it's super cool. I can definitely recommend it. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to Cebu, another island here in the Philippines, but this will be in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. and I'll see you guys in the next week.